What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Teardown. This game is really fun. You get to destroy a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to go to... let's just go to this place. It's like a mansion. Alright, load. I have a whole bunch of mods you could see. And we don't learn low HP, which is nice, because that's really annoying. Alright, we're in. So, we got a whole bunch of weapons and everything. I installed a whole bunch of mods just before this. So. Oh wow, opened. Thank you. And also draw. Let's draw a face. Smiley face. Give him the butt chin. There. Alright. We're gonna be destroying stuff. So we have a whole bunch of guns we could use. Hopefully that isn't too loud. This gun is really loud. Watch this. It's an AK. I like the reloading though. It's really nice. I have another AK. It does a lot more damage and it sounds better and it looks better, but the reloading sucks. Look, it just goes like that and that. But I still like it. Then we have this lightning gun, which does a lot of damage. You can see the FPS on the top left, so we are going to lag a lot. This is going to tear down my computer, but not all the time, so I guess that's good. Right, it's like a sniper. You need to click the right mouse button, not hold. That's weird. Right. Right, keep clicking. Alright. Let's try this gun. Shoots in bursts. I can see the ammo. Let's see how it reloads. Yeah, I did install a lot of mods from the same creator, so I guess they all have the same reloading type. Yeah, we have dual miniguns now. You can also go in first person, pressing C. And yeah, I'm not even walking backwards right now. It's just, it does that. But when I go forward while shooting it, it does this. Then I let go. Wait. Oh, so you have to be running and then you do it, or whatever. All right. Let's try Meteor Storm. This thing lagged my computer a whole bunch last time I used it. Yeah, it just does that. Visual effects are insane. Yeah, we have a mega gun too, so this thing is huge. Doesn't look that big when you're in first person. It's still really big, but yeah, this thing just destroys everything. Yep, we're at 7 FPS, 8 FPS, 9 FPS. Alright, I'm gonna restart real quick so we don't stay at 10 FPS the whole time. But yeah, so hopefully you know what this game is about right now. Wait, I'm gonna show you the banana bomb. It's really cool. You got the sledge. This is the first thing you get. Let me know if you like this game and if you want to see more. The shotgun. That gun's cool. Then you got this weapon. And then, oh wait, yeah, I forgot. We have this portal gun. That is very cool. That, right, go that. I guess we could put it here, or here. Oh my God, this thing is not working. Sorry, guys. Oh, there, I guess. Yep, this is like a side flip. But, yo, parkour. Oh yeah, the airstrike. Here, if you click right mouse button, you can change all the bullets that you fire. Did I just make a 7? If I change my direction. Alright. Let's try this one. Damn! That was big. Just make a whole bunch of circles. Circle, 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 circle. Alright, let's try cluster bomb. Wait, I've tried this before. It lags so much. Yeah, and then it shoots. Thanks. I'm also going to be doing VR videos, so you could like comment what VR games you want me to play. Might do some Forefront, and I'm also going to do more PC videos like Helldivers. So yeah. Wait, let's see if this takes it out. Yeah, that's a lot of water. Whee! Let's just flood this place. And then let's put acid in it. The water doesn't stay, it disappears, bruh. Alright, let's get out. Let's try something else. The attack drone. I know this one. It's cool. We can do that, but we also right click and we can move it around. And it shoots stuff, obviously. Got this lightning gun, which does a lot of damage. Oh my god. And this thing, it summons a black hole. Yeah. It doesn't go away too, so we have to restart and it lags everything. I also have telekinesis. Oh, doesn't look like it's activating. These guns are really cool. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Oh my god. Oh, this looks like a machine gun. Yeah, that's really loud. And we have the thermite cannon. That's big. I don't know what thermite is. I mean, I've tried the grenade in Helldivers too, you know. I don't know if it's just fire. Then we got the regular minigun and the mega. Oh wait, this shotgun is so good. Destroys everything. And you also have a hook. Oh my god. Ah! Yeah, I modified it a little. Yeah, there's like a thing right here. Hook shotgun. Just modify everything. So yeah, this one is really good. Oh no! Yeah, you can see the health in the bottom right. This thing destroys everything. Strongest shotgun ever. Heard this web shooter is just a modification of the hook shotgun. It said that in the mod thing. Then we got the acid gun. It just melts stuff with fire. I got the sit singer. Why can't I move? There. Yeah, the Sid Saber has everything. Oh. Yeah, this mod was made before the third person camera thing, so when you go into third person, which is C, it also does this. But it's kind of cool because you just see our character running and destroying everything. I also have this Darth Vader lightsaber, which is cool. Doesn't have any special things, I don't think so, though. That's a jetpack, by the way. Whee! Right? We have a, what I think is a, oh my god. What is this? It looks like a rocket launcher. Alright, let's try the most powerful thing in the game. The vacuum cleaner. This just is so powerful, like I can't even imagine it. It could suck up all the matter in the universe. Come on, come on. You know you want to be sucked by the vacuum cleaner. Come on, come on. And then you can just spit it all out, like. Yeah, we're getting very low FPS right now. Then we got the little miniguns, which I already showed, but they're really cool. Let's just summon a whole bunch of meteor storms. Alright. That should be a lot. Yep, we died. Let's go. Let's restart real quick. Yeah, you can see it's a modified version of the grapple hook mod down there in the active mods. It's on the bottom. Alright, we're in again. This sledgehammer is not very good. Ooh, leaf blower. Ah! It's just a worse version of that. Wait, no. Yeah, the reloading's really cool. Let's try the jackhammer. Did it just blur? What? Thought I had a mod. Alright, this is the regular shotgun that's built into the game. It's pretty cool. Can't really aim with it. Hope my keyboard isn't too loud. Gun. Is this a pistol? Then we have the everything revolver, which is really cool. You have everything. Let's try railgun. Haven't tried this one before. Oh, yeah. This thing is OP. And you don't have to select it again. You just press the reload button. Then it does a cool spin. Wait, what does this look like in third person? Oh, damn. That's real. Yeah, I'm gonna try something else. Wait, there's a button to like remove everything. What is it? Options. Keybinds. Whatever. We'll just remove them all manually. Do. You can spin it. That's cool. Let's see. Let's try ricochet. And one lightning. Alright, whatever. It's just replacing it all. Let's just do ricochet. Ricochet! Bro, what is ricochet? Yeah, it does ricochet. Ricochet. Bro, I do not know how to say that word. Oh, that was cool. Ooh, kind of made a beat. Do. Wee. Oh god. Where did that go? It's going to the moon. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna stand in this. Oh, yeah. Totally didn't expect it to blow me up. Alright, let's try this firefighter thing. Okay. Let's set everything on fire. Let's try the... what should we try? Yeah, let's just do... I see myself. I'm gonna hit myself once. If I can. Die! Alright, I guess I'm immortal. I don't even drop... Never mind, I do. Alright. Midair? Yeah, that's cool. Let's try to palm. That's just fire. Set everything ablaze. Yeah, whoever owns this mansion is not gonna be happy. Ooh. Alright. Now we need more fire. No, it doesn't. Oh, that was cool. Alright. Okay, what is that? Alright. The attack drone. Wait, let's see if I can kill myself with the attack drone. Where am I? Nope. This game is multiplayer, so maybe I'll try that in a future video. Ah! Alright, let's see. Let's just lightning gun everything. Yo, this range is crazy. I'm sorry, owner. I'll give you $3, bro. I'll give the owner $3. You could definitely buy a better mansion with $3. Let's try the antimatter capsule again. See if it works. Oh yeah, we have telekinesis. Yeah. Oh. This just can... Yeah. Whee! The physics in this game are really cool. Ah! Let's see what the reloading is. Alright. Boring reloading. Wait, look at the scope. There's like reflections. Wait, if I turn on my graphics to high, will it be better? Wait, I saw something change. Yeah, the scope definitely changed. That looks a lot better. Yeah, there's reflections now on the scope. That's cool. The small details in games are the best. This game is very unoptimized. Well, or maybe it's just me spamming everything. Yay! This is the most optimized game ever. We're at like 27 FPS. Come on. It's on fire, I'm gonna die! No, I hate this mansion. Wait, I'm not even using my jetpack, it just sends you up. Yo, why does the number go up? Isn't it supposed to go down for the ammo? Oh wait, I guess you don't reload miniguns in this game. Wait, why is it going up? Let's try a meteor storm. Whole bunch, like last time. We'll actually see them. Oh. Yeah, this is why I don't do that normally. Yeah, that's pretty laggy. We're gonna restart. Alright, I'm just gonna show you guys a few more things, and then I'll probably end the video. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video so far. I think this game is pretty cool. Extinguish. I think the firefighters. Yeah, the firefighter is a mod. It looks way better than the extinguisher. This looks trash. Mods are far superior. Maybe I'll try a different map in a future video. Alright. Oh, that's cool. Oh, we reload more. Yeah, that's cool reload animation. Oh wait. Oh, how did I not do this yet? You can spawn stuff. Spawn. Let's try. Not a robot. Those just kill you. Let's go. A tank. Yeah, this thing's really cool, and you could drive it too. Alright, let's shoot. Yeah, that's really cool. I could have done this the whole video. Boom. Boom. I love big explosions. Alright, let's try to spawn something else. I've always tried to get the planes to work. I never do. I downloaded a gore mod. I don't know if YouTube will age restrict me for that, but let's try the A20, whatever that is. Air start. I don't know if this works. I mean, you can go in and do this. That's about it. Alright, let's try the non-air start. Water bomber. What does this mean? It like drops water bombs on stuff, like in wildfires. Looks like the type of plane that would do that. So it goes forward, but I don't know how to make it fly. I've tried this on other maps. It never works. Oh wait, I thought that was that was the firefighter thing. Just setting more stuff on fire. Very smart. Yeah, I think this is like the fire from a mod, so it doesn't damage me, and you can't clear it out. So yeah, that's okay, I guess. Spawn some other stuff, and oof. Wait, it didn't damage me. Let's see. Try a Class 546 cruiser from Mandalorian. Can you get in it? Or is it upside down? I don't know. Oh my god. Alright. Let's try the Mega Model Pack. Hunted. Chest. Ooh, I found so much gold and stuff. Let's destroy everything. Let's see. vehicle. What is a siege tower? Or maybe I'm just stupid. Yeah, I'm probably just stupid. This looks like something. Oh wait, I have an idea for a video. Maybe you can play tabs. That game's fun. Alright, let's try something else. AI friendly. AI enemy. Ooh. Let's try this. Bro, these mods do not work. I mean, the thing still spawns in, but... yeah, blood. Oh wait, I can drive. Never mind. Yeah, the reloading is cool. Alright, we're at 21 minutes. Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. I'm try the hook shotgun some more. Oh wait, the rocket launcher. I haven't showed this. The weight of the projectile is a lot. Well, look at those effects. It's a cloud. What is nitroglycerin or whatever? I'm not gonna say that. Let's try to shoot it. Oh yeah. Looks like an explosive thing. Lava. The physics gun? What? No, this looks complicated. Try a portal gun again. Ah! Go through there. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna try that out some more. Here. And then to here. Oh wait, let's see if you have to go through the green. Oh no, it's just outside. That's really cool. Okay, let's try this cast iron some more. I'm just slowly falling. Wait, no, I'm not falling at all. Alright, jetpack, jetpack, jetpack. Bro, my space bar is so loud. Watch this. You can definitely hear that, right? Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner 3000. Alright, I might end the vid soon, so yeah, let's just vacuum clean a whole bunch of stuff and then we'll shoot it all out for the end of the video. Alright. Vacuum clean. I'm the best cleaner in the world. Please don't die. Oh, I'm gonna die. I need to regen some health. Hold up. It's 30 FPS. 40. I like 40 FPS. It's good. Oh, I like 60. 40 is alright. We're at 18 FPS and I'm already melting. And I'm gonna die. Alright, we have 121 objects. Let's try to clean some more stuff. We're stealing it all, basically. Oh my god, this is so laggy. Alright, I think that's enough. Wait, hold on. We need to get 130, an even number. Alright, this is gonna be the end of the video, okay guys? Let's just shoot it all out. Whee! Beautiful. Let's make a heart. That did not work. Alright. And all the big stuff and the sofa. Alright, welcome mansion owner. Alright, that's the end of the vid, guys. Bye.